After 13 years of a budding romance, 91-year-old Evelina married the love of her life, 73-year-old Wilson, on the 22nd of January 2021 in Dallas, Jamaica. Good day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel, Breaking News from Yard and Abroad. Please remember to like and share, and also subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss daily news items from both home and abroad. For some women, after reaching the age of 40, if they never get married, they feel that it will never happen again. But here is a Jamaican love story. Yes, Evelina Meadder-Wilson. Well, she showed the world that age is just a number. Evelina did not subscribe to this belief that if you pass 50, you can't marry again. And so, the St. Thomas resident is a living testimony that love and marriage can happen anytime in your life. So, this is the love story of Evelina and who tied the knot on January 22nd, 2021. That same day when Evelina turned 91-year-old. In an interview with CNJ Jamaica, she told the interviewer, "It kind of come in like a pleasure in my old days. Me pass a lot of ring when me the young, Yes, the Dallas resident has been an item since 2009. The two Dallas residents have been in a relationship since 2009. And Evelina praised Calgent for taking care of her when she fell ill. Still, she said that marriage was the furthest thing from her mind. She said he was talking about it all the while, especially when him take him little drink and him feel sweet. Him would say, "Me I go marry you, Me no listen, because me never have it in my intention."
Well, we met together 2009. I was sick. And it helped me a whole lot when I was laying down there. And to the kindness that he has done for me, not what my children to do is him do it. And then we was together for 13 years.
Right. Well, how did you know that he was the one for you? How did you know?
Well, I really don't know if he was the one. Because I tell you the truth, he was talking about it. They go marry, but I wasn't listening.
So that was long before you decided. He was saying
it. He was talking about it all the while. Especially when him take a little drink and it feels sweet.
Yes.
He said, "Me I go marry Me no listen. You can't have everything."
However, 4 of her 8 children encouraged her to take the plunge, and she gave in.
Attention. But the children, because the daughter down Baptist, she started it. She called the other one and came on. She called the son and came on. And she called the other sister and came on. So all 4 of them decided it before me decided. So I decided it. And he said he will do it on my birthday.
He's my husband and my company, she said. One person not to live, and God never make one person to live. He made Adam and he made Eve as a companion. The wedding took place at their home in Dallas, and it was the talk of the town. Her granddaughter from Montego Bay did her hair and her makeup. And videos on YouTube went viral showing the two beaming on their wedding day. The small gathering cheered wildly as the two locked lips to cement their vow. Evelina said the two cared deeply for each other, and as such, they have developed a harmonious relationship. We don't fuss, never even have a disagreement, Evelina said, laughing.
Yeah,
Nice.
you know, it's kind of come like a pleasure.
Yes.
In my old days, me pass a lot of ring when me young, you know. Cause some of them when I ask me, can me rip me finger and a ball, you know.
What advice she had for couples? The lively Evelina didn't miss a beat in her response. She said, two people live together who must love and have respect for each other. God said we must love, and love is the greatest commandment. If you love, you live in peace. Love brings peace, and peace brings unity, and unity brings strength.
Two people live together. You must love and have respect for each other.
Yeah.
Not if I say to you, say, let you move this mug. You think over it and say yes. But not only say come remove the mug, you have to say, well, that
Yeah.
none of them things and I like it. Love God, so we must love. And love is the greatest commandment.
Yes.
Love. If you love, you live in peace. Because when my children small and growing, I said to them, say, love one another. Love bring peace. Peace bring unity, and unity brings strength. That is me and you as companion in the ocean. And teeth and tongue must meet, you know.
Yeah.
Because we are all sinners. And if you're talking to me, you're talking here. Don't go out the road and talk. Don't go out the door and talk, make people hear. And the children's father, that's what he was.
Okay.
Couldn't take it.
You said we have disagreement, keep it in the house.
Yes. Anything happen, it's in the house between us. And we try to make peace before the sun down. You can't go to bed in wrath. You have to have peace because the angel of the Lord,
And campeth around us.
yeah, the angel of the Lord visit you in the night. Really, I don't stop praying.
Yeah.
Night and day.
Wow, what a wonderful love story. Just continue praying for them that God will give them strength, long life, and an everlasting love.